In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Select Leftward and Select Rightward. These two tools in CapCut are perfect for quickly grabbing a group of clips on your timeline so you can move them together, delete them in one go, or apply changes consistently. Think of them as time savers that help you manage everything to one side of your current position on the timeline. First, open CapCut and head into the editor. Give the interface a second to load so you can see your timeline, preview window, and the toolbars around the workspace. If it's your first time here, don't worry. Everything we'll use is right on the main screen. Next, add your videos. Bring your clips into the project and make sure they're placed on the timeline in the order you want. If you're working with multiple tracks, that's fine. These selection tools can help across layered timelines too. As you drop clips in, keep an eye on the playhead, the thin vertical line that shows your current position, because that's the reference point these tools use. Now, look to the middle left side of the editor and click the mouse icon. This opens CapCut's selection tools. It's essentially your quick access to different ways of selecting items without manually shift-clicking every single clip. Click on Select Leftward. This tells CapCut to select everything to the left of your current timeline position, based on where the playhead and your active track selection are. Use this when you need to grab all earlier clips at once. Maybe you want to move your entire first half a little to make space for a new intro, or delete a section in one clean action. If you select more than you intended, just click an empty area on the timeline to clear the selection, or use Undo to step back. Then, click on Select Rightward. This does the opposite. It selects everything to the right of where you are. It's great for shifting the rest of your edit forward, clearing room for a pickup shot, or applying a batch change to all upcoming clips. Again, if your selection includes multiple tracks, you'll see everything to the right get highlighted together so you can act on it as a group. A couple of simple tips as you work. Zoom your timeline in or out to double-check what's being selected, and keep your playhead exactly where you want the selection boundary to start. With these tools and a clear view of your timeline, managing large sections of your project becomes fast and precise. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your videos, click the mouse icon, then use Select Leftward and Select Rightward to take control of your timeline like a pro.